Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shreya, and today I'm going to talk about a book. So this is the book which I've read recently, and I would like to share my experience about reading this book. Talk a little about this book in case it would be of some help to people who are looking for a good book to read. Also for people who want to inculcate this habit of reading books but are really not sure about which one to choose, I think this book could be considered by you people as well. So let me show the book that I'm referring to. It's Eat That Frog, and the author of this book is Brian Tracy. So I would like to talk a little about this book so that in case you are considering of purchasing it, you would have a better idea about what it is all about. Okay, so this book is for the ones who effectively want to manage their time on daily basis, on weekly basis, on monthly basis, whatever it is. All the information is so beautifully mentioned here. It also says that if you have a goal, it needs to be put on paper, so it has to be in a written format so that it would be very clear for you to comprehend in case you have to make certain changes in terms of making a plan or creating a strategy which could be helpful to achieve your goals at a faster pace. And what is the importance of discipline? Why is it important for us to be consistent enough in order to reach our goals? How technology could be used instead of we being a slaves to technology. How technology could actually be used for getting our work done quickly, for getting ourselves updated with the latest trend. Instead of getting carried away with the social media content, Instagram and all those things, and procrastinating over the work which we are supposed to. How prioritizing your work is really important. How you could prioritize your work. Suppose for instance there are a lot of things that needs to be done or that needs to be completed within a day, and how are you supposed to prioritize your work? So something which is of greatest importance need to be done first, and something which is of least importance could be neglected or it should be done later. So the power of prioritization, the power of focus and concentration and everything is so beautifully mentioned in this book. It has 21 chapters in total, and all the chapters are very short, so you could complete reading this book within no time. And whatever is mentioned in this book is so practically applicable in your everyday life that I would say that in case you apply it in your everyday life, it would bring tremendous change, and it would completely transform you into a different person who manages the time better now compared to your past record. I would say that it did help me to a certain extent in managing my time. I know it's pretty difficult to apply all these things consistently on daily basis, but if done religiously, it is going to do wonders. And that is all about the book. And also the language is very simple. It doesn't have very complicated vocabulary in it, so you don't have to look for a dictionary each time you want to get to know the meaning of some word. Having said, that's it for the review and for this video as well. Hope you found it informative. In case you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you could also mention your views in the comment section below. That's all. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you take care and keep glowing from inside out.